tea.
Yeah, love you too. See you later.
He's got a very happy. Oh, look at these.
Is that his Christmas program? Can you show me the dances that you did at dance tonight? I would like to see them.
What's over here?
Are you taking a video? Huh?
Uh-huh.
I like it.
Yeah.
Did you watch the Pretty
Look
My
at
Tummy
this
movie?
guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just kind of a smile.
I'm used to lifting Baby Chase. You're heavier than Baby Chase, aren't you? Yeah, I think so.
He's checking you out. Chase, look over here.
He's more calm now that we changed his diaper.
That'll be a nice little pronouncement on the video. We finally changed that diaper.
Should we find it?
This is your wake-up call. Those holiday treats finally caught up with you. This year, take the Special K Challenge. 6 pounds in 2 weeks. With more options than ever, taking the Special K Challenge has never been yummier.